Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt, the V-Twin Visionary, and I'm actually here at First Manufacturing Company in Long Island, New York, and I'm going to show you just how easy and rad it is to build a custom vest. All you need is internet access. Go to firstmfg.com, and then you can see where it says customs. Click on that, and there's a men's club, women's club, Western, and SWAT style vests in which to choose from. I'm going to do a men's club vest, so I'm going to click on that. It will bring up the builder, and in the builder, it pretty much materials, colors, stitches, collars, textures, piping, pockets, whatever you can pretty much imagine, you can put on this stuff. I mean, if you add up the combinations, it's literally tens of thousands of different things that you can have on your vest or not. I'm gonna pick material first, choose material, which would be the top, the upper part. I'm a pretty simple guy. This isn't gonna be a crazy, wacky vest. It's gonna be pretty basic, sorry. Black leather top, nah, I've got a lot of black leather and I live in Phoenix, so it's kind of hot. So I figured I'm gonna go white leather on the top. That's very out of the ordinary for me, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Then, I mean, if you go down here, it's pretty crazy. It's denims, canvas, snake skins, dragon skins, and gold and red. And I mean, it's pretty crazy, but I'm keeping the top white leather. The bottom is gonna be black leather. Corporate colors of V-Twin Visionary, black and white. So we're really gonna stick with that, but we're gonna mix it up a little bit. From there, I'm gonna click over to stitch colors. Primary stitch colors, I really wanna offset the stitching, so on the black, so I'm gonna do white. And secondary stitching, I'm also gonna do white. It makes for a really cool look all over. Then, we are going to collar or no collar. If you take a look at me, I don't have much of a neck. Collars are kind of obtrusive on me, especially if I'm putting a helmet on, a lot of other stuff. So I like that First has the option for no collar. So no collar for sure on mine. And I wear hoodies as well under my vests a lot. Now we're going to quilted textures, where you can do a tuck and roll, you can do a diamond, a double diamond, a chevron, a web. I mean, you can do, anything. They have so many cool ideas, hearts, petals for you ladies, grids. I'm not gonna run any of that. It's just not my style, but it's super popular. So if you're into it, by all means do so. We're gonna go to perforation. Well, since I already said I live in Phoenix, perforated is pretty much a yes on everything leather, but I'm not going to do it on the top. It's still going to be white leather on the top. On the bottom, on the black leather, it's going to be for sure perforated, so I get that airflow going through. It's a $50 option, not bad at all. Going to keep going. Chest pockets. I really like the look of the jean external chest pockets, so we're going to leave those. And they have white flaps on the black bottoms and opposite stitching. Slash pockets on the bottom, I like those. I keep my phone in there, little things, money, so I'm keeping those on the bottom as well. Piping. This is kind of a newer thing that I think is really cool. I'm gonna do center piping is gonna be, do I want white or black? I think I'm gonna do black on the center piping, for sure. And then I'm gonna do the outer piping, I'm gonna do white, which is here and a few other places. Looks really cool once you see the vest in person. Then we're gonna move on to side lace. A lot of guys use side laces to adjust them tighter. A lot of guys just like the lace look. It's not my deal, so I'm gonna leave those out. Now we're going to arm wrap. A lot of guys are doing the stitching around the arms. Sorry to say yet again, it's not my deal. It's a little too fancy for me, but for you guys, have at it. Okay. Now we're picking the liner. You can have a plain one, you can have different colors, but we did a digital print of the VTV multi-logo, which you've seen on our van and on our trailer and pretty much anything else we can put a wrap on, so we're gonna stick it in the back of the liner of the jersey. So we just click browse, find it on the desktop. You can do anything, PNG, JPEGs, PDFs, AI files, a few other ones, I don't even know what they are. And open it up. Take a little while because the file's kind of big. And there she is. Looks super cool. It's all over the place on the back. With that said, we are going on. We're going to utility pockets. I've got enough pockets. I have a bagger, you know, no utility pockets for mine. Leather inside slash pockets. No, like I said, I've got enough, and it already comes with the concealed carry pockets. So, back armor pocket, no. Size. Well, I've got my COVID 19 pounds on, so. And I can fit into an XL, but I use a double X because, like I said before, I usually run a hoodie or a long sleeve shirt underneath it. So we're going double X. Vest length. Most of my bikes have mid controls, and I have a pretty upright seating, so I go 2 up. So -2 in the length. -2 inches. Measurements. I'm a real good double X, and these vests fit pretty true to size. I'm saying, like, if you have an XL t-shirt, I would highly suggest running an XL vest or even one of their jackets. Their sizings are really true to fit. So, additional notes. Thanks, guys. And boom. So we'll have it all. We're gonna add it to the cart. It's spooling up. So we have an agreement. I agree to the terms. Things aren't going to be exactly the same. 99.9% people that are on a computer screen that what you're going to get in your hands. These things are hand built and delivered. So there's going to be some certain things that are going to be slightly different than what you've seen a computer animation of. So agree to the terms. Don't be a weirdo. And we're looking at, out the door, a complete custom vest sent to me 5 to 8 weeks, depending, as you know, during the COVID times a little much, for $549. I mean, you really can't beat it. You can pay with Google Pay, PayPal, Shop Pay, any credit card, any ATM card, and we will be showing you how it turns out when it gets here. Until then, check out firstmfg.com and v2nvisionary.com.